Clean water is so critical to all of us, but especially critical to the Bad River tribe because they depend on it for so many reasons. So climate change is a really big issue. It's an issue that really is magnifying the current stressors on the landscape and on the water resources.
Climate change instability is a real concern. And so I see it as a holistic kind of come together of a number of threats.
We have had other extreme events like the 2016 flood that happened in this area, classified as a 1 in 1,000-year precipitation event and 1 in 500-year flood event, and caused a lot of infrastructure damage in this area.
Because of the increase in precipitation and heavier events, we're seeing more sedimentation, we're seeing more runoff, so we're seeing water quality decrease. We are seeing lake levels increase, more erosion because there's higher wind speeds and more intense waves. So we're seeing bluffs and just shorelines eroding away.
So we've been trying to work in partnership to do what we can to improve ecosystems and make them more resilient to a changing climate.
Wetlands are the great managers of the water that flows across our landscapes. Wetlands are really good at capturing runoff water, keeping the waters from entering our neighborhoods, covering our roads, washing out our culverts. Wetlands are also known to really help clean our waters as well, handling nutrients that are in the water that would be causing water problems for our rivers and our lakes.
And so what we do in our Natural Resources Department is we're here to protect and restore our wetlands so the current generation can utilize them, but not just the current generation, looking out to that 7th generation and trying to make sure they have the same quality, if not better quality, natural resources.
We work with the youth a lot because that is a big puzzle piece to helping protect our natural resources, because if the kids are interested, they are going to take on that legacy and work hard and continue the work that we're already doing.
Our tribe, Bad River Band, we will protect and preserve our water resources by making mindful decisions about how we develop into the future, keeping our ecosystems intact by accentuating the absolute holistic nature of the watershed realm. Those are basic reminders of how powerful this all is. It all works together.